Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use mask on Capcut. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, what you need to do, you need to click on overlay. Here you can see, click on this overlay button and upload a video. For example, this video is here. For example, I like this video, and here add this video on your overlay. After that, what you need to do, and swipe up left. Here you can see, swipe left, and after that here you can see option mask. After that here you can see option mask. Click on this mask button. Here you can see click on this mask button. Here you can see, you can also use this circle icon and mirror icon and so more. Click on the circle icon. Here you can see, after that you can also create this video in a circle. Here you can see, you can create increase this video size. After that click on ok button. Here you can see, click on this ok button. You can change this video location from, you can also use mirror. Here you can see your video, and you can also use matlab box icon. In this way you can use mask on your
Thanks for
videos. You can
watching this
also
video.
use
Please
heart
subscribe my
icon.
channel.
You
See
can
you in the
also
next
use a
video.
star icon, and you can also use circle. In this way you can easily use a mask option on your Capcut. Thanks for